All right, we're going over the garden planner that I have here. So I'm just kind of having the harvest tracker out and the preserving tracker out as well for this year, comparing it to last year. Kind of looked at my notes of what I was able to do. Some of them I forgot about what to do. I wanted to test my beans for something. So anyway, so those are my notes for 2023 to do. Reviewed them. I kind of keep notes of cost, when I started all my seeds in the grow room, and then I started when we started planting things, and then some plants that I was able to sell. Talked about a lot of the weather, how the weather has affected a lot of the stuff this year, how our frost was so late. We had so much smoke haze that really took a lot of the warm weather crops a lot longer to ripen and stuff. Here is how I had everything laid out. And then I was starting to just make more notes as I go along through the year, just when I started harvesting stuff. Again, talk about the weather. The frost was 5 weeks late. And then just go over like all the, when I added peat moss to the blueberries, how I'm doing the self-seeding lettuce in the greenhouse I'm excited about. And then just starting to make some notes for 2024, you know, plant less tomatoes, focus more on peanuts, do less cabbage. I really want to do 2 hog panels of the purple beans, start Brussels sprouts early, and then focus a lot more on the squashes and stuff. So that's kind of what I'm working on this morning for the garden. So make sure you take a few minutes to sit down and kind of go over your notebook as well. Make notes of how much you harvested, what worked out, what didn't work out, and what you should maybe do a little bit different next year, or the stuff that really worked out, you know, make sure to do that same thing again. Each year you should go through and just kind of take a look at, all the stuff and make sure you keep track, because you will probably forget. So I've been doing this for many, many years, starting here at the beginning of 2014 that I started writing it down. So I hope you had a great harvest this year. We did. Thank you.